We're celebrating the nominees today. But we'll be taking back to the first nominees. Blvk H3ro straight from Waterhouse. Hey, Boomyard. Hey, Linkup. Say, what is a life? I said, the life is a spell. Yes. What is a life? No one can tell. Yes. What is a life? I try to see. The world is alive. It's looking clean. Hey, everyone said they are not excited. While our vineyards being exploited. Hey, an African woman will be close to you. Help me to find. Don't let us get separated. What is alive? What is unity? What is alive? It's you and the what is alive? Say life is not tested. What is life? I'm so much they control the treasure of our birthday. And to survive, we got to struggle and fight. The present confrontation of our minds, the flexibility of our vision. What is alive? I'm trying to see. What is alive? It's you and me. Alive, what is alive? Yeah, yeah. What is alive? Easy now. They control the pleasure of our birthday. And to survive, we got to struggle, Lord, yeah. All the confrontations on our mind, yeah, yeah. The flexibility, let's go, we want what is done, yeah. Say what is alive, come, what is alive? Say what is alive, what is love, oh Lord, what is alive? I wanna see, what is alive, what is alive? Easy down. Linkup. When I say one, I want you to say love. One. No man, that's only about 25.5%. When I think we're having enough jerk pizza. Hold on. When I say one, I want you to say love. One. I'm going to rock to some reggae music now, man. Say what is love? Say what is love? What is life? Say what is life? What is life? What is life? Let me testify. Drum and bass, alone. Drum and bass. Hey, what is life? Say what is life? Hey, jump and little bass and little jump and little bass. Make the girl move her waist. What is life? Yeah. Hey, yeah, what is life? What is life? What is life? What is life? From you love reggae music. Come on, let's rock. And what is life? 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 Take the outside. By the way, let's Blvk H3ro. Straight from Waterhouse. Make some nice in the back. I'm not going to take up too much of the partying time, you know what I mean, and enjoyment. You don't mind if I do one more song? And you can't leave the place without looking dancehall, you know what I mean? I have to do looking dancehall. Because dancehall and reggae, Mr. Reggae did the wall and dancehall made the outro. So if you pay homage. Ready? Designer, true. This is the family like your mama find that is like even a fight because I you find the proper melody and the I wanna bring them like a beside me a play with the tools I with me I like hard safe as a eye drop like a lava. Hey, originate. I'm a teacher about dancer. Hey, I'm Mr. Study all the great and I'm a write up a song and I'm a full like Papa San. I got the mic like Super Cat. Shut the place and rat-a-tan on them. Wonder what I'm going to. If you think it's a good this are the LA rock, big dancer, keep on people all a rock, but no stop, there's no stop. Hey, reggae below all and dance all, make it no stop. Get a bigger on me, don't know Kingston, get a Kingston, cock so blue queen, down a Ridge Street. Are you right, big?